We are Memu, town of Taiki in Hokkaido. Placed within Tokachi Plain, we are located 30-minute drive from the mountain, 2-minute drive to the sea. Memu Earth Lab is a research infrastructure. It is developing new approaches to research and learning processes. This weekend, we have invited Musicity Global to kick off a first workshop in cities to come.
I'm Nick Luscombe. I'm the founder of a project called Musicity Global, and the work basically involves original pieces of music commissioned, inspired by buildings, by architecture. We've been having tours and talks. It's been a really busy few days, but all of it has been really inspiring. And of course, added to that, kind of getting to understand the local food of the area and the people who work in this area as well. So it's kind of been a combination of so many things.
My name is Paul Bavister and I am an architect based in London. The workshop I ran was just a bit about trying to gather acoustic data as quickly and cheaply as possible. Normally when you do acoustic surveys you have to use sine sweeps and very complicated equipment that's very expensive. That's very good, but you can also get adequate results, not brilliant results, but adequate results out of popping balloons and recording them with microphones.
This is the kind of data that we then give to the musicians and the sound artists to create a sonic response. Basically, not everybody's going to be as fortunate as we are to be here. So if they've got at least the data, they can understand the qualities of the room and then create the perfect sonic response to that space.
At Memu Earth Lab, we are developing a form of research in residence program, which is similar to artists in residence, where researchers from diverse disciplines are staying together, dining together, and discussing our paralleling research fields.
You can do a lot of research online, you can speak to people over an evening, but the idea of people getting together, living together essentially, walking around, swimming together, kind of eating and having ideas, and this is invaluable. It's a really perfect way to create a new dialogue, to create a new language. It's been a fascinating few days.
This weekend, we were fortunate to have people from diverse disciplines. We also brought the University of Tokyo specialists who specialize in tissue engineering and also sound engineering to connect sensor networks using animals.
There's so much sound data we choose to ignore, but this workshop was really good because it focused you on the minutiae. And very much the way Japanese architecture is, it's about detail, it's about the little things. And so there's a really interesting analogue between the way we listen in this workshop and the way we look at our architecture spaces.
We have many perspectives brought into a place through the workshop. Not just the outcome as a data of a sound data, raw data, but our relationship to connect Memu. There's a really specific place in Hokkaido in Japan to global network.